What's something messed up you witnessed as a child that you were oblivious to until you grew up? From 4th to 6th grade, I would go to a friend's house regularly. For most of the friendship, his mom was super nice and engaged with us as kids, while his dad had always been this mysterious person at a high-powered job that everyone tiptoed around once he got home. My friend's attitude started changing near the end of our friendship, being abusive to his dog that he used to be obsessed with and overall high-strung. Parents were a little off compared to before. I stayed for dinner one night like I had before many times, and his mom sits down with a black eye. I was confused, like, how did she get hurt? It was a bit awkward, but the dad was there, and those meals were more about finishing up than chatting. I guess everything was always less fun when he was around. My friend was not the same as he was before, more aggressive, and that wasn't my style. Our friendship just kind of waned off. I didn't realize till many years later that his dad was likely an abusive asshole, hitting his wife and maybe his sons. I'll never forget the weird anxiety that filled the house in those last few months, and that my presence may have been a kind of reprieve period where the dad had to play it cool. That anxiety did end up pushing me away, and looking back, I hope my friend, his brother, and mom got out of the situation.